Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Bri. I am so excited to be filming today because it has been a while since I posted. Well, not super long, but it's been over a week now and I am so sorry. I did not want to go that long without posting, but work got really busy and then I was also very sick. I had the flu and now it turned into a cold, as I'm sure you guys can hear by my voice. I'm getting better, but I was really sick. Well, for today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys what my top favorite nudes are. Lip liners, lipsticks, lip glosses. I have it all for you guys. I'm always getting asked what I'm wearing on my lips, and I would say about 98% of the time it is a nude lipstick. I just feel that nude lipsticks or glosses look the best on me. I'm not really into color. I'm not really into reds, maybe because I haven't found the perfect red, but I just feel like my skin tone is way too light for reds, so I really need to find a good one. I always end up taking it off when I put it on. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my favorite nudes, so stay tuned. So starting off with lip liners, I have a few that are my favorite. I didn't know how many favorite nudes I had, and so I started picking them out for this video, and then I was like, okay, you really need to talk about your absolute favorite ones. I didn't need to pick all of these, but... So I have 3 MAC lip liners. The first one that I have is called Stripdown. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. So it's just a really pretty nude brown color. Next one I have is called Boldy Bare, also by MAC. So that one, as you can tell, is a little bit more on the pinkier side, but it's still pretty nude. And the next one is super popular. It is called Whirl. This one is my absolute favorite. So it is that one right there. Now the next 2 lip liners that I have, a little bit on the less expensive side. They are from NYX and they work just as good as the MAC ones. This one is the NYX lip liner crayon in nude beige. So I put it right there for you guys. The next lip liner that I have from NYX is in the shade Natural. Is this one right here. These look so similar when I'm holding my hand up, but I swear they're similar, but they're different. Now moving on to lipsticks, I'm going to name and swatch the actual lipsticks and then we'll get into liquid lipsticks. So these 3 are from MAC, the OGs. MAC was the first expensive brand that I ever bought. Probably when I was like 14 or 15, I like saved all my money to get a MAC lipstick, and I think the very first one that I got was MAC Angel. So this MAC lipstick is called Honey Love. It's actually what I have on my lips right now, topped with a gloss that I will show you guys in a bit. But it is just a perfect nude. It's a nice little brown color. So that is MAC Honey Love, and this is their matte. The next one I have is a satin and it is called Myth. I do like to pair it with a little bit of a darker lip liner, that way I don't look dead. But since I am so white, it works for me. So as you can see, it is a pretty nude lipstick. Next one I have is called Creme D Nude, and it is a cream sheen, so it's very glossy looking. It's pretty similar to Myth, but it is a little bit more on the sheer side. So now moving on to liquid lipsticks. I have 2 from Anastasia that I really like. I've been using these for years now. The first one is Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Naked. So there it is right there. Just a very pretty pale nude. And then the next one that I have from Anastasia is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pure Hollywood, and this one is a little bit more on the pinkier side. So that is Pure Hollywood right there. My next 2 favorites are from Too Faced, and they are the melted liquid lipsticks. So the first one is Holy Chic, and this one is pretty pale, pretty. It is more on the paler, pinkier side. So depending on your skin tone, they're all gonna look different. Some lipsticks look way more on the brown side because I'm paler, and then some pink lipsticks look more nude and not as pink because I'm so pale. And then the next one is called Child Star. So Child Star is really similar to Pure Hollywood. So this is Pure Hollywood, and then this is Child Star, and they are pretty similar. My last liquid lipstick that I absolutely love is the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. It is in the shade Sand. These liquid lipsticks have such a light formula, like you don't even feel like you're wearing anything on your lips. I don't even know how to describe this color. I need to get more of these because they're just so beautiful. So it is right there, and it's like a pretty pale brown. It's pale, but it's not too pale. I don't even know how to describe it because it's just so pretty. So now moving on to glosses. These are my top 3. I love a glossy lip, especially during this time for warmer weather, spring and summer. You'll most likely catch me with the glossy lip. And on my lips, I am wearing Honey Love by MAC, and then I topped it off with this Morphe lip gloss. And this is just the perfect nude lip gloss. It's not too pale, it's not too pink, it's not too brown. It is right in between, right there. Super inexpensive. It lasts you a while without you having to reapply. My next one is another inexpensive lip gloss. It is the Maybelline New York Vivid Hot Lacquer. I want to go back, and I really hope they have more shades of these. This is actually, I purchased this like 2 weeks ago, but it's become my favorite so quick. I love a nudie pink lip. That's like my go-to. I love pink lips. And this one, oh my gosh. When I put it on my lips, I'm not kidding you, I had to like go back a little in the mirror, and I was like, whoa, was that really $7 only? I think it was only $7. And the formula, I have more expensive lip glosses and none of them compare to this. So I'm hoping they have more like nudie shades because I'm gonna go get them. It's just a pretty pink, but it is so glossy on the lips, and it is so pigmented. You guys need to try them. They're the Vivid Hot Lacquers. So beautiful. I want them in every shade, and I'm gonna go back for them. And then my last is in OG. This is the Buxom White Russian lip gloss, and this is actually the one that makes your lips a little bit fuller, plumper. So it does have like a tingling sensation. I don't notice a huge difference, but this one is more on the pinky side, and it's very glossy. It's this one right here. Wow, look at how beautiful that is. Just a whole arm of nudes. So that is all the lipsticks and lip glosses and lip liners. Those are my favorite nudes, and the one thing that I love about nudes is that you can change up every single nude. Like you can pair it with a darker lip liner or a lighter lip liner and change the look completely. And that's just why I love nudes, and I stick to nudes. I will always stick to nudes. So that concludes my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment down below, let me know what you guys want to see next. And if you guys have any go-to nudes that you think I should try, please let me know because I am always on the lookout for a new nude.